Swagger's on a million and money's on a couple bucks. This the kind of song where I go off and I don't give a fuck. Every time I spit it live, everybody shut it up. Nodding heads, pounding fists, holding on the red cups. Yeah, I got more swag than a pirate ship. I wanna know why all you haters are just hiding shit. But spit it out now, this is where the game ends. People trying to diss me, this is where your fame ends. Stop remixing all these songs, start doing your own shit. How about you just shut the fuck up, get on your own dick. Pretty boy swag and the soldier boy is on. Bitch, you say I'm acting cocky, but I think I'm in my zone, bitch. Try and get on my level, I'm jumping through the fire, then I'm spitting daredevil. Even though I'm acting cocky, you know that I am a normal kid. Once the hook drops, I think I'm gonna flip your leg.